This is a duplex, 1 bedroom on each side. Thank goodness you're on the other side of the camera because it really stinks like ass in here. We just opened up the fridge and didn't realize there was a bunch of food still left in it from the old tenants. Anyways, so tenants have been in here. It actually been vacant. I think the guy who was in this unit actually passed away, not in the unit, luckily at hospice or something. So it was empty for a long time, but we had our guys come in last week. We pulled up all the old flooring here that was just deteriorating. We had to fix some floor joists. Anyways, so working on fixing the floors. We got a little bit more to do, but they'll come in here probably this week, clean the walls, kills and patch any place from the roof where they had fixed. It'll look just like the unit next door, probably same color paint, nice fresh coat paint on the ceiling and on the walls and make this look like new money.